Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by validating prerequisites. Check the updated map, seed, and legend so you know what counts as an end room marker. Once done, gear up, light, compass, a ranged tool, and choose a clear starting landmark. This reduces backtracking. Then begin with systematic sweeps. Move in straight lines, place small 1/2 unit markers, and log notable features. Make sure to record coordinates as you go, because consistent data lets you predict where clusters of clues will appear later. You continue by building a local map. Sweep corridors in grid segments and note dead ends and branching ratios so you understand the structure. Once you see recurring symbols or textures, focus there. These often signal proximity to the end room. Use triangulation from 3 distinct landmarks to narrow the probable zone and mark promising sectors. As you proceed, adjust sweep width and revisit high-density areas. This increases accuracy and keeps you from missing subtle, asymmetric clues. You finish by confirming the end room methodically. Approach slowly and scan for hidden triggers, false doors, or subtle texture changes because haste causes misses. Once inside, test interactions in this order: environmental cues, mechanical switches, then scripted events, record results. If nothing activates, backtrack 5 markers, recheck map alignment, and reset any non-persistent states. This troubleshooting tip catches timing-based or misaligned triggers, and it often reveals the overlooked condition that prevents completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.